guys, it's Alicia. Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can see from the thumbnail and the title, I am unboxing the iPhone 11. And before you guys attack me, I just want to say how grateful I am to get this phone. And I know that Christmas was a few weeks ago. Oh my god, that's when you know I haven't posted in so long. But this was kind of like a late Christmas gift, but I'm really glad I got it because I felt like I needed a update on this phone because I do have an iPhone 7 at the moment right now, so so I feel like I needed an update, and I backed up my phone, so hopefully nothing gets deleted and all. And I don't really want a long intro, so without further ado, let's get right on to the video. Okay, let's open this. I don't know where to start because I don't want to ruin this packaging because this packaging is really great. I think you open it from the behind. It's 256 gigabytes. It's really, oh my god, that's so much gigabytes. I kind of need, oh, I kind of need it because I take so many pictures. I'm literally fangirling off of an iPhone. Wow, okay. Oh wait, I gotta give you guys that little close-up. I don't know why I'm so giggly today. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. I'm gonna put it in this box. Okay, so it's gonna be kind of used to because the iPhone 7 has a home button, while this doesn't. So, okay. What else is in here? Okay, good. It's a charger because all of my other chargers I have, it doesn't work. Got some new earbuds. So I think I'm just gonna put this in the box for now because I don't need it at the moment. So I'm gonna put everything back in the box. The packaging is so nice. I'm not gonna take it off, but I do have a case. I just got a clear case because I didn't know what other cases to get. So do I just tap on it? Do I have to press this? I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, it's turning on. It's probably gonna take a while because I have to set it up and do the Face ID. It's taking forever. Okay, now, hello. Swipe up. Oh my god. Okay, English. What's my Wi-Fi password? I will be right back because I don't even know my own Wi-Fi password. Okay guys, I'm back. Oh my god, I pretty much checked the whole bed. Okay guys, so I'm back and oh my god, I'm going to do the Face ID. Hopefully I don't look disgusting. Okay, position your face. I like it how it's already dark because now it's daylight saving time and it gets dark at 5, so sorry about that because this took so long. Okay, so now I think I'm just going to do the phone thing. Okay, so now let me screen record my app. So since it's on, I'm going to press the camera thing. So this is the quality, and by far the iPhone 11 camera is way better than iPhone 7 camera. So yeah, I think I'm just going to do a picture thing, that way it can be better. So I think I'm just gonna take a random picture, and then I'm gonna take it on my iPhone 11. I like it how like it has choices. You can either have it zoomed out or you can have it like closer to your face, and I like it how it's very clean, like it makes your skin look very clean. I don't know how to take a good picture. Okay. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I don't really have that much to say except for like don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow all of my social medias. They will all be down in the description below. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great day and see you guys